Yeah, probably. Just grab it through there.
Yeah, that's
Just slide your forks together.
Can you put one fork through it?
Probably just through that one.
That one fork go through that?
yeah, it would. I don't know what will happen, but it would.
Me neither. It's probably going to take off.
It won't take time.
I'll give it a try.
I can't see it hurting it any. I don't want a dull blade on it. That's crazy, isn't it? Huh? I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. Number 76, Brown and Boggs. I'm not sure. He was thinking that's the number casting of it. Probably. I paid $200 for it. See the handle for it? Perfect. Well, I'll take it home. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Probably shear something with it, maybe. It moves. Yeah. It goes up and down. Just trying to get me to buy a pool table. You want a pool table for $100? No. No? Can't get you to do it? No?
How are you holding that? Straight up or down?
We can stand it up, whatever's easy for you.
Yeah, we'll see where it lands.
Couldn't talk him into the pool table. He's a little smarter than I am, isn't he? Huh? Yeah. Maybe we'll just leave the other stuff for now. Okay. Huh? Okay.
If you lay your forks down flat, I can kind of slide it probably. Maybe go